Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 7th day of November, a little later this morning as I make this, 4:03 here, and we have a lot to talk about. We had 80 degrees yesterday. We're looking for mid to upper 70s today, but a cold front's on the way, which will first bring rain to the area, and then sharply colder temperatures, which will arrive in the middle of the night. And, tomorrow is going to be at least 20 degrees colder, and the winds will make it even seem colder than that, and we're headed for the 30s for a couple of nights, but a great weekend forecast. However, we're already looking ahead to the early part of next week to the second cold front, which will be arriving by Tuesday morning with a brand of cold we haven't seen yet. It's an Arctic cold front. And some pretty interesting. I have an update on timing and how cold we could get after that second front. Here we go.
All right, here's the setup this morning. We're still in the warm air, but there's that fast-moving cold front already, which has made it to Fayetteville, Arkansas, moving southeast with rain out ahead of it. There could be some showers, I think, by late morning, but a better chance this afternoon and towards this evening and tonight. This loop goes till midnight, and notice by midnight, the heavier rain is from about I-85 on southeastward, and then the colder air starts filtering in during the wee hours of the mornings, and that will shut off the rain. So a good chance of showers, especially by this afternoon, and an increasing chance this evening and tonight. Today's high 76 early in the day. Tonight's low down to about 50 as the winds shift around to the northwest, and we get into a breezy, colder situation for Friday. I don't think we make it out of the 50s on Friday. Plus, added to that, you add in a north wind at about 12 to 22 miles per hour, and that's really going to add a bite to the air. The winds die down by late night, and then by tomorrow morning, we are in the, by Saturday morning, we're in the mid-30s, I should say, and then upper 30s in South Alabama. We've been there before, so it's going to be a cool weekend. A cold start on Saturday morning, but a great weather for football on Saturday with a cool fall day. High temperature only in the low 60s. I think we're in the upper 60s Sunday after a chilly start, so we'll start off in the 30s and end up maybe upper 60s, maybe even teasing 70. Much of Monday is dry, but notice that next blue line approaching. This is a different brand of cold front. This is an Arctic cold front. Monday midnight, it's through north central Alabama, even maybe some frozen precipitation teasing the Tennessee Valley perhaps with this front. Tuesday at 9 a.m., the front has made it into southeast Alabama, and the cold air is flooding in. Gusty winds and a brand of cold we haven't seen this year so far. So let's review so far. We got upper 50s tomorrow. Mid-30s on Saturday morning, low 60s for a high Saturday, upper 60s Sunday after a cool start. That should be 38, not 68. And then we have a generally dry day Monday, chance of showers late Monday night into Tuesday, and then it turns sharply colder after that. For instance, here's a look at Wednesday morning's projected lows. I mean, this is possible. Mid-20s perhaps in central Alabama, upper 20s in south Alabama, certainly possible. Maybe even some upper teens up north. And look at the Wednesday afternoon highs. Wow, we may not make it out of the 40s here in central Alabama, and only maybe low 40s in north Alabama on Wednesday. Pretty amazing stuff. So we've got cold front number 1 tomorrow, in the middle of the night tonight. And then cold front number 2 coming in on Tuesday morning with a series of maybe 3 freezing mornings in a row, perhaps, and then another cold front around the 20th of November. Lots of changes ahead over the next several days.
So lots of exciting changes in the next few days. If you don't have our weather app on your phone or tablet yet, go to the App Store, download it today. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. It'll keep you on top of the action. Plus, you'll have access to all these videos and the blog updates and so much more. So that's good to have on your phone. Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. And also live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 this morning a couple of times. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. when it's likely to be windy and much colder behind me here. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.